The Ahmadiyya Muslim Prize for the Advancement of Peace is given to an outstanding contribution for the cause of peace and is awarded to either an individual or an organization. This was launched by Hazrat Amir al-Mu'mineen Ayyad Talib al-Azriz in 2009, and this year's prize will be awarded to Barbara Hoffman of Switzerland. Barbara Caroline Hoffman is originally from Switzerland, and for almost 7 years at an international bank and companies, Barbara participated in a humanitarian mission to Mozambique in 1989. Struck by the terrible situation of children, the first victims of the war that had lasted for 30 years in Mozambique, Barbara decided to dedicate her life to their welfare in the conviction that if the roots are not cared for, the tree will not be able to live. Barbara has followed this principle, and her work is well known and respected throughout the world. In January 2001, she survived a near-death experience. She recovered and renewed her commitment to her charitable work with even greater vigor. In 1990, Barbara developed a project to build a children's center in Beira in Mozambique. It provides a center for children and the victims of war and orphans. In 1991, she founded ASEM Switzerland, a non-profit organization providing education and poverty relief for children. Between 1995 and 2005, she founded the organization ASEM branches in Portugal, New York, Italy, Canada, and USA to support the work. ASEM's work enables children of war to have hope in life, chance for a better future, and we are proud to announce that Barbara is the winner of the 2019 Ahmadiyya Muslim Peace Prize. This will be formally presented to her at the Peace Conference, inshallah.